Alright, as you can see, my hood is up a little bit. I have partially installed something. I'm just testing it right now. So I have basically added a smoker that will make that thing put smoke out the exhaust stack. Today's machines don't really smoke much, if at all. So this is going to be very subtle. It's going to be something that people who are watching it that don't know anything about it are probably going to wonder, is that thing really smoking or not? So I'll show you the switches I have that control it and kind of explain how it works. So basically, it's on a timer. This would be under load, so bringing my stick in towards me while I'm digging, so that would give a little bit of smoke. Shows that it's working. So it's on a timer, so let me do it and I'll let you know when it shuts itself off, which you can probably see the smoke. So here we go. So on, off. So it shuts itself off. It's on a timer. And then you have to go, all the functions that control it would have to go back to the neutral position for it to shut itself off, or excuse me, turn itself back on after it automatically shuts itself off. So what I've done, I have it so that it works. This is my bucket control. This is my boom control, boom up. And this is stick in. And I also have it, let me raise this up a little bit, so that right swing, left swing does nothing, right swing will smoke. Left swing nothing, right swing smoke. So I'm trying to get it to smoke a little bit, but not crazy. So here we go, we'll simulate running it. So yeah, I just have to get everything put away neatly, and I think it's going to work pretty good.